And so it begins. Black Mountain Exploration Startups. After this, I'm going to party on my house. Most exciting fucking place on earth. Gosh, I don't know, I haven't been there for a while. There's the big fat needle. Don't stick it up your ass. It looked like you was having a good time. This seems to be busier than the last time I came up here. Today is the public holiday, it's Easter Monday. I keep forgetting I have this carpool ride device. I can quite easily see what's behind me. I just keep forgetting to look at it. And there's a wonderful view of a giant syringe. There's all kinds of trails you can walk up here. There's the big fat mountain, fucking tower thing. What have we got over there? March. There's nothing to do up here, so don't bother coming. There's some shit around here. I might bring TJ up here one day and do a proper exploration. This is just a motorcycle tour. Outside of a school door. That's wild. At least one of the buildings for city how do I get in? How do I get in? So now I'm going to ride right down. Just going to go put him on a little break. Wait. It's kangaroos out here. I've never seen any. What shit happens? They pop up in the weirdest places. I see them in my mum's backyard. I remember when I was like early 20s, there was this guy I knew called Tony. He went street lugeing down this. He bought himself this giant fucking street luge. And then I think, if I remember correctly, he had to lie down on it all the way down. But if he had hit any of the posts that are here and there on the side of the road, he would have been fucking crippled. Amount of speed we got going down here on that thing. A thing which has no fucking brakes. A giant skateboard with no brakes. Sounds like a really fucking stupid idea, Tony. But I guess you know that, right? You got some time to think about it. It's a nice view of stuff. Mental triangle. We're heading that way after this. I think I'm going a bit fucking fast. How far am I going? 45. That's not too bad. I think there's a vehicle behind me. I'm going to have to slow down a bit so I can control this from the left. I don't have enough time to look at the mirrors because I'm concentrating so fucking much on doing this. Not what is there? What the fuck? First, I don't need drugs. Oh, there's somebody doing some cardio. Okay, next we're going to Parliament House, so I have to figure out how to get there. We'll take a right-hand turn and head down to Lake Billy Gripper. Well, I don't like those ones. The buttons on this bike suck ass, man. They're fucking hard to do anything with. when you're trying to operate the brakes or something else, they suck bad.